MP ka Congress na Tura Parliamentary Constituency usaling isang maha ka kanriyo trignailar ula Kyntait ya ka jingkam jong ka BJP bakala kershan ya uha ka ni ka election MP ka badang sidapsyan bat ula kopru ya ka seng NPP la kanut ni emban kanjat no ya ki arnut ki MLA ka BJP na ka sorkar MDA habakren siya kilap tay kubor usaling ulaong haba ubernat ukren halor kanu ka benta hatu pidan jinget babaro kan shimkum ka jingshisha hatu pitharay ba ka BJP kala penlong ya uriki kum UMP lani ya nga banlong UMP ka BJP bat ka Congress kilong kum ka ding bat ka ngin yak le lang dale leiru nga tharay kila klumar jingmut namar ngala kelalong UMP.
Whenever Rimpu or Barnard speaks about anything, anybody will take it as a gospel truth. Do you think the BJP has made Raki Sulai to be the MP or me to be the MP? Whereas we are BJP and Congress is like a fire and a water. We will never mingle or we don't mingle at all. You get my point? And moreover, I think they have lost their mind just because I have become MP after so many years. Now, BJP and NPP are together. Whenever you go to Delhi, ask anybody, especially the ministers and all, they take this particular state as an NDA ruling state. You got my point? So, in which dream they have got a support from the BJP? Can you tell me? During the election, of course, we go to each and every individual to give us a support. Not from the BJP. Not as a BJP, as an individual. I went to Django, Asahel Tisira. I went to Benedict. I went to few of the leaders. I went to, even those leaders from the NPP also to support me. You got it? It doesn't mean that they have supported me on the basis of the party's direction. BJP never supported me and they will never support me in the future also. It has a bowl. Can they kick out these two BJP? Kick out the BJP. Kick out these two BJP and believe their spokesperson. You got my point? Will they have the guts to kick out these two BJP from the cabinet, from the ruling? Do that one and then tell them to speak afterwards. You got it? Then only tell them to speak about the Congress. Okay? They can't, they are only two. They don't need two. They've got 43. They don't need support from this BJP. If they have the ball and the guts enough to kick out, tell Rakam to kick them out. Then tell them to speak about me.